If you have tried connecting your USB drive to Windows computer multiple times and yet it doesn't show up, we bring to you the solutions on how to fix the issue. Before we move to the solution, let's understand some reasons why it might be happening. The USB device may not be inserted properly or connected to the PC. USB device is broken, unable to properly load USB software onto the system. The drive may be infected by malware. A low system battery might make root hub settings unrecognized by the drive. Windows is out of date. Hardware compatibility issue could be there, or maybe no partition and drive letter is assigned to the USB drive. So now that we've understood, let's look at the methods that you can try to make it work. So number one, you go for the basic checks. For the basic checks, try restarting the PC, because if there has been a malfunction in it, it will automatically resolve. Once done, update your Windows by opening Windows settings, clicking update at security, going to Windows update, then click check for update. With that, you must try putting the USB into other ports as well, or even in the other laptop. So just to check that the drive is not damaged. With all these basic checks, there is another important point to note. Sometimes the USB does not show up because it is not compatible with the PC. Using a USB 3 on a USB 2 port is common. However, some USB 3 devices need a compatible and powerful port. If you face issues with the computer not recognizing the external hard drive, you should check the device manual and compatibility information as well. Now, number two, you try to assign a drive letter. If the connected USB stick is visible in disk management but not in the File Explorer, it means the drive is readable, but due to outdated drivers, drive letter conflict and file system errors, you're facing this error. What you can do here is go to the Windows search bar, type My PC, select Best Search Results, select Manage, right-click the USB drive under Disk Management and select Change Drive Letter and Path. Click Add by default, the available drive letter will be selected. Click OK to assign it. But if you want to assign a drive letter of your choice, then choose it from the drop-down menu and then click OK. So that was the second part. Now let's go to the third part, which says that you have to change USB root hub settings. To save power, sometimes the system disables the connected USB. To confirm this, that it is not the case, check and alter USB root hub settings. For that, press Windows plus X, select Device Manager, go to Universal Serial Bus Controllers, double-click to expand it, right-click USB root hub, USB 3.0, select Properties, click the Power Management tab and uncheck the box next to allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. And then click OK. Now next you can do is you can update USB driver. Now manually updating drivers requires technical knowledge, time, patience, but what you can do here is use Advanced Driver Updater, because of this you can update any driver in one quick go. So download the tool, click Start Scan now for the scan to begin. Once it finishes scanning, you can update outdated drivers or simply update USB driver and it will be. Next you can do a scan for hardware changes. For that, press Windows plus X and select Device Manager, click the Action tab, scan for hardware changes. Windows will now look for a USB stick and hope you can see it. So that's it for today, guys. I'm sure that you will be able to resolve your problem with these methods. And for more such interesting videos, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye.